What are the benefits of lawn aeration? Aerating a lawn involves removing small plugs of grass and soil from the ground. This lawn maintenance procedure should be completed once or twice a year. Spring or fall are ideal times for aeration to take place. Nutrients. Your lawn will be able to absorb nutrients easier after aeration occurs, and it will be especially helpful in getting these nutrients all the way to the roots. Reduce compaction. By creating new air spaces in the lawn, the soil compaction is reduced, which will strengthen the root system. Decompose thatch. Thatch is the layer of material between the grass and the soil. If this layer becomes too thick, it will hurt your lawn. Aeration allows microorganisms to increase their movement, which decomposes the thatch layer. Prevent runoff. Aeration allows fertilizers and pesticides to infiltrate your lawn and reduces the runoff of such chemicals. Resilience. Aerating will make your lawn stronger and more resistant to droughts, heat and wear and tear. The ground will become more cushioned under your feet because of the improved health of your lawn.